Good morning, respected principal, dear colleagues, and my beloved students. It is a matter of great joy and pride to welcome all of you to the new academic session. I hope each one of you had a relaxing and refreshing break and are now filled with energy, enthusiasm, and excitement to begin this new journey. A new academic year is like a blank page in a book, waiting to be filled with knowledge, experiences, and achievements. Each day brings a new opportunity to learn something new, to improve yourself, and to move one step closer to your dreams. Dear students, always remember that school is not only about books, exams, and marks. It is a place where you grow as an individual, where you learn important values like discipline, honesty, respect, and responsibility. It is also a place where you discover your hidden talent, build confidence, and create beautiful memories with your friends and teachers. There will be times when you may face challenges and difficulties, but do not be afraid of them. Challenges are a part of life and they make you stronger. Always believe in yourself and never give up. Success does not come overnight, it is the result of hard work, patience, and determination. Make the best use of your time. Stay focused on your goals. Be regular in your studies. And never hesitate to ask questions. Remember, asking questions is the first step towards gaining knowledge. We, your teachers, are always here to guide, support, and encourage you at every step. You are not alone in this journey. Together, we will learn, grow, and achieve great things. I also request all students to maintain discipline, respect your teachers and elders, and be kind to your classmates. A positive attitude and a good behavior will always help you succeed in life. Let this year be full of new achievements, new learnings, and new successes. Set your goals high and work hard to achieve them. Believe in your abilities and keep moving forward with confidence. Once again, I warmly welcome each one of you to this new academic session. This year bring happiness, success, and bright opportunities for all of you. Thank you and have a wonderful year ahead.